The remote monitoring kit supervisor is powered by 24 volts AC from the RTU. Simply route the provided wires from the RMK to the RTU control box. Connect the 24-volt power wire, the R wire, to the 24-volt H or 24-volt AC terminal. The 24-volt common, the C wire, connects to the 24L or 24-volt COM terminals. The supervisor is polarity sensitive. Failing to observe polarity can cause irreparable damage to the supervisor. At the RTU control board, connect the wire from the supervisor 24-volt H or 24-volt AC terminal to the R terminal. Connect the wire from the supervisor 24-volt L or 24-volt COM terminal to the C terminal.